Good day, children. Today I'll be taking English literature for class 9th and 10th short stories. I am Mrs. Ghosh. Class 9th ABCD will study with me and class 10th ABCD will revise with me. The short story taken is The Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Miller Hemingway was an American novelist, short story and journalist. Was born in Illinois, USA. When the United States entered World War II in 1941, he served as a correspondent, that is a staff reporter for newspaper. This is a little background I am introducing. This story is based on an Easter Sunday stopover at the Ebro River during his coverage of Spanish Civil War in April 1938. In this story, the author reflects on the horrors of war and the physical, mental and psychological effects of it on countless civilian victims, those without politics. This is a powerful story about the tragedy of war. The old man becomes a symbol of countless civilian victims of war, those without politics. Now, without politics here is in inverted comma because this has been lifted up from the story. This expression is important, please note. Displaced, disoriented and alone, he faced death. We will now go through the following points to understand the story. Point number 1 is the narrator is a soldier. He meets an old man at a pontoon bridge across the Ebro River. The old man was sitting by the road. He was too tired to move further. Third, the narrator asks the old man about his well-being. The old man tells the narrator that he belongs to San Carlos and had to leave the town and his animals because of artillery fire by the evening. The narrator tells the old man to walk up the road and catch a ride on a truck. The old man thanks the narrator but expresses his concern for the fate of his animals, a cat, 2 goats and 4 pair of pigeons. The old man tries to get up and walk, but he is too tired, so he sits down in the dust. The narrator moves on, leaving the old man at the bridge, waiting for his impending death. The old man is a symbol of defeat of liberal democracy in Spain. In the Spanish Civil War in 1938, the Spanish loyalists were defeated by the force of Francisco and Franco, aided by dictators like Hitler and Mussolini. The bridge is symbol of the need to give up war, to talk to each other and connect with each other through the bridge of faith, trust, brotherhood and humanity. Now we'll study the story in detail. The story begins with a chance encounter between a young soldier, the narrator and an old man with silver-rimmed spectacles sitting by the side of the road at the pontoon bridge. The young soldier was on a mission to cross the bridge and find out how far the enemy had advanced. When the soldier crossed the bridge towards the enemy, he found an old man at the bridge, and when he came back, the old man was still there. That roused his curiosity. The old man told him that he was 76 years old and was forced to leave his hometown of San Carlos because of artillery fire from the enemy. He further told the narrator that he had already walked 12 kilometers and was too tired to move any further. The old man said that he was the last person to leave the town as he was anxious for the safety of the animals he was taking care of. The old man said that he was looking after 3 sets of animals, that is, 2 goats, a cat, and 4 pairs of pigeons. He said that he had no family. The old man, unconcerned about the threat of his own life, expressed his concern for the safety of the animals. He admitted that there was no need to worry about the cat, as cats can look after themselves. And since he had left dove cage unlocked, and the pigeon too would fly to safety, but he lamented his fate of the 2 goats who had nowhere to go and nobody to look after them. The narrator, more concerned for the old man's safety than that of his animals, inquired about the old man's politics. The old man replied he had none. The narrator then advised the old man to cross the bridge and catch a truck towards Barcelona, but the man replied that he did not know anyone there. However, the old man thanked the narrator for his suggestion and continued to express his concern for the fate of the animal he had left behind. The narrator reassured him, saying that the animals would be fine. The narrator told the old man to get up and walk. The old man tried to get up and walk, but he was too weak and tried and sank back to the ground. The narrator thought that the old man's only luck was that cat could look after themselves and the day was overcast, so the faces, that is the enemy who were advancing towards the bridge, would not be able to launch their planes. For today's assignment, I am giving you a long answer question. It's a very easy one with reference to the notes I have dictated and discussed. You can do this answer. Question says, state the narrator's attitude towards the old man. Give evidence from the story to support your answer. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay home.